For the last 30 days, I tested 7 different AI side hustles, and you will not believe how much money I actually made. I spent $700 of my own money to see which of these online hustles were real and which were not. 3 of these were complete failures, and I lost every dollar I put into them. 2 of them barely made any money at all. But 2 of these hustles made me money while I was literally sleeping. And right now, I'm going to show you every single dollar I made and every single dollar I lost. This is not a highlight reel, this is the truth. I wanted to see if a normal person could actually make money with AI, so I created this insane challenge. The rules were simple. I started with just $700, a brand new laptop, and absolutely 0 followers. I Googled "Make Money with AI 2025, picked the first 7 ideas that came up, and gave myself just 30 days to make as much money as possible. I tracked every dollar, every minute, and every failure to see what actually works. First up, AI coloring books. The promise was simple. Make AI art, upload it to Amazon, and get rich with passive income. So, I used Midjourney to create 50 unique coloring pages of retro cars. I made some awesome covers in Canva, uploaded 3 books to Amazon, and then I waited for the money to roll in. But it never came. That same week, 14,000 other new coloring books were listed on Amazon. Trying to get noticed was like trying to whisper in the middle of a rock concert. My books got a total of 200 impressions and 0 sales. I even panicked and spent $37 on promo ads that did absolutely nothing. Net, I was officially minus $37. This hustle was a complete failure. Next, I tried selling AI prompts on Etsy. I thought this was a genius idea. I packaged 99 of my best ultra-mega Midjourney prompts and listed them for just $9. The problem was everyone is doing this. The site is flooded with thousands and thousands of prompt packs. It felt like I had set up a small lemonade stand in the middle of a national lemonade festival. My listing was completely buried. I only sold 2 copies, and they were both to my roommate who felt bad for me. He hasn't even used them. Net, I made $18, but Etsy took $3 in fees. So after 6 hours of work, I was left with just $15. That's $2.50 an hour. This was a massive waste of time. For hustle number 3, I tried to get rich making AI music for Spotify. I used an AI to generate 10-hour loops of lo-fi music, paid DistroKid $23 to upload them, and waited for the streams to pour in. In 30 days, I got 300 streams. Which sounds good until you find out that getting paid by Spotify is like earning a single grain of rice for every person who tries your food. They paid me a grand total of $5.22. After my costs, I actually lost money on this one. Net, a pathetic minus $17.78. Even worse, 300 real people listened to a robot trying to relax. I felt terrible about it. Hustle number 4 was print-on-demand t-shirts. And this is where things finally started to change. I used ChatGPT to write sarcastic slogans and Midjourney to design funny cat pictures for t-shirts. My first sale came on day 9, and it was from my mom. But then I had a breakthrough. I realized grumpy cats was too generic. That's like fishing in the open ocean hoping a random fish swims by. So I made super niche shirts with pickleball jokes for retirees, which is like finding a small private pond packed with the exact fish you want to catch. They actually started selling. By the end of the month, I had sold 19 shirts. Net, with a profit of over $9 a shirt, I made a grand total of $174.80. We were finally making real money. Next up, I started a completely faceless YouTube channel using only AI. I used AI to write the scripts, and AI for the voiceover, and uploaded 2 videos every single week. Believe it or not, the channel got monetized in just 27 days. Over the month, the videos got 42,000 views, which is insane. And the ad revenue was $51.33. Not a lot, but this channel is like planting a small tree. It's not huge right now, but it's still growing every single day, so it's a long-term win. Net $51.33. It's not quit your job money, but it proves that this can actually work. This is the hustle that changed everything. I created a mini course teaching realtors how to use Notion AI. I used ChatGPT to help me outline it, recorded 6 short videos, designed a thumbnail, and put it on Gumroad for $29. At first, I got 0 sales. It was a disaster. But then I went into Facebook groups, found the exact words realtors use to describe their problems, and I completely rewrote my sales page to solve their exact issues. It was like I had been trying to open a locked door with a giant ring of random keys, but I finally found the one specific key that fit the lock perfectly. It exploded. I sold 41 copies. Net a mind-blowing $1,056. In just a few days. This was the first 4-figure win, and it felt incredible. And for the final hustle, I did something completely different. I sent a cold email to 30 local plumbers offering to build them an AI bot to handle their appointments. Out of 30 emails, 3 replied, and one of them paid me $500 to build it. Plus, they're paying me $99 every single month forever. This was like being a doctor who walks into a room, solves a patient's painful problem in a few minutes, and gets paid for the cure, not the time it took. It only took me 2 hours of work to build, and I made $500. This was the easiest money of the entire challenge. Net $500 in 3 days, plus $99 in recurring revenue. This was the highest ROI per hour, and it's not even close. So after 30 days of this insane challenge, what are the final results? I spent a total of $700. And in just 1 month, I made back $1,992. That's a total profit of $1,292. The 2 winning hustles were the AI micro course and AI automation for businesses. It's not even close. The coloring books, prompt packs, and AI music were complete and total failures. In total, I worked 47 hours, which means my hourly wage for the month was $27.53. That's way more than minimum wage. So if you need to make money right now, what should you do? Listen to me. First, if you need money this week, create a micro course. Find something you're good at. Use AI to help you build it fast and sell it. People will pay you for your knowledge. Second, send emails to local businesses. They have problems and you can use AI to solve them. Just 1 client can make you $500 faster than Spotify will ever pay you. And here's what to avoid. Stay away from anything that depends on an algorithm like YouTube, Etsy, or Spotify. That's like putting a message in a bottle and hoping it washes up on the right shore. If you need money now, you need to sell directly to people. That's like walking up to someone and handing them the message yourself. Because you watched this far, I am going to give you the exact sales page and cold email I used to make over $1,000 for free. All you have to do is comment AIcash down below, and I will personally send you the Google Doc. For more detailed information and resources, you can also visit my website at www.streamlinebusinessai.com, and I've put the link in the description for you. And while you're down there, subscribe to the channel, because in the next video, I'm going to try to turn these 2 winning side hustles into $10,000. You do not want to miss this. Subscribe right now. I'll see you in the next video.